Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll be talking about the greatest common factor, also known as the greatest common denominator. The greatest common factor is exactly what it sounds like. It's basically the greatest common factor between two numbers. But first, to solve this, we need to know what a factor is. A factor is basically a number that divides another number evenly, which means no remainder. So for example, 12 is a factor of 12 because 12 divided by 12 gives us 1, leaving us with no remainder. Now let's try to find out the greatest common factor between two numbers. Let's take 12 and 18. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And we can see that, 1 and 1 match. There's 2 and 2. There's 3 and 3. But we need to find the greatest common factor. And the greatest out of this is 6. And so 6 is our greatest common factor between 12 and 18. But just like there's a shortcut in finding the LCM, there's also a shortcut in finding the GCF. Let's take the same example from above and break it into a table like this. Now I'm going to divide 2 from both, so I get 6 and 9. I'm going to do 3, so I get 2 and 3. Now I can't further divide anything, otherwise I have to separate. There's no common factor between 2 and 3 besides 1. And so the greatest common factor will be the multiplication of the numbers on the side, which is 2 times 3, which is 6, as shown here. Now let's try another example. Let's take the numbers 25 and 35. And first we're going to do the longer way. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. The factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, and 35. Now in this case, the greatest common factor would be 5. But let's try this out with our shortcut. So if I write 25 and 35 in this table form, I can divide both by 5. And so that's what I'm going to do. I get 5 and 7. But I can't move on because there is no common factor between 5 and 7 besides 1. And so 5 is the greatest common factor. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Algebra Star, or visit algebrastar.com. Once again, thanks and stay safe.